Welcome! Today, we'll explore the human digestive system. Learn how your body digests food and turns it into energy. Let's begin. Digestion begins the moment food enters your mouth. Your teeth break food into smaller pieces, while saliva starts the chemical process of digestion. After chewing, the tongue pushes the food to the back of the mouth. As you swallow, the food enters a long, muscular tube called the esophagus. The esophagus does more than carry food. Its muscles create wave-like movements called peristalsis, gently pushing food toward the stomach. Inside the stomach, powerful muscles churn the food, while strong digestive acids and enzymes break it down into a thick liquid called chyme. The partially digested food now enters the small intestine. This is where most digestion is completed, and nearly all nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. Three important organs help the small intestine digest food. The liver produces bile, the gallbladder stores it, and the pancreas releases powerful digestive enzymes. Inside the small intestine are millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi. They absorb nutrients from digested food and pass them into the bloodstream. The bloodstream carries these nutrients to every cell in your body. Your cells use them to produce energy, support growth, and repair damaged tissues. After most nutrients are absorbed, the remaining material enters the large intestine. Here, water and essential minerals are absorbed back into the body. The remaining waste is stored in the rectum until it is ready to leave the body. This is the final step of the digestive process. A healthy digestive system depends on a balanced diet, enough water, and fiber-rich foods. These help digestion run smoothly and keep your gut healthy. Let's quickly review. Food travels from the mouth to the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, where nutrients and water are absorbed before waste leaves the body.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about the human digestive system. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in